what is the general formula of arithmetic progression? Arshit? Shreya? You tell Shreya. Those two will not tell. They mute and they went somewhere, I think. Shreya? What is the general form of arithmetic progression? Don't know. Anybody? Yes. Wait. One of you. Tarun will answer. Others keep quiet. Say Tarun. Others mute. Tarun is also not working.
Ma'am, I'm telling ma'am.
Tell.
A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2.
General form. You are saying wrong.
Ma'am, I'll tell ma'am. A
Who's
plus
that
D.
I? Who's that I?
Mithun, ma'am. Mithun is I.
Mithun. I written on the board. You read it.
A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D.
This is only general form, Tarun. And the nth term, suppose the fifth term or something you want to calculate, means you should do A plus N minus 1 into D. This is called general form of arithmetic progression. Okay, so remember that and we will do. Today what we are going to do is nth term of AP. See, for example, I told you, for example, your salary is increasing every month 500 rupees. Okay, suppose your salary is 2000. It is increasing every month 500. So 2500, 2500, 3000, like that it's going. You want to know after 3 years, what was my salary? So what you can do, you can put this formula and calculate. Years means how many months? 12 into 3, 36 months. So you put 36 and find out, you will know how much salary you will get. So this will be useful for any business. You can become an entrepreneur anytime by calculating. Okay, you should be good in mathematics to become a business people. Yes or no?
Ma'am, Udaya is waiting.
Yes, I am. Okay, so A plus, we use the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. How will you read? AN is equal to A plus minus 1 of D. 1 of D you can read it, or 1 into D you can read it. A plus N minus 1 of D, or A plus N minus 1 into D. This is nth term. This can also be denoted as LN because we use L last term. L. Nth term is otherwise last term. Nth term is otherwise last term. I want in your book all these things should be there. Board work. In your board work, all this should be neatly written. I have seen some are writing very neatly. Some are not writing board work properly. They do homework correctly. They don't do board work. So please check the recorded session and write down correctly. Write like this. What all I'm telling important. I'm putting a box, a rectangular box. So that box you should draw it in pencil and neatly you should write. So that during exam time when you turn, you know what you should be in your memory book. Which should be in your memory box strong. That only we are putting it. Okay. So draw this and put the important symbol. Now we will go to exercise 5.2 first sum. Now I want somebody who never read so far should read. Not Amrita, not Bhagya, somebody else.
Rohan.
Yes. Who's that? Umar. Umar is
Rohan.
Hello.
Fill in the blanks in the following.
Fill in the blanks is given. What is page number? You tell me, no? See, you don't know to tell. First page number.
Page number 105.
105. Correct.
Okay. Exercise 5.2. First main.
5.2.
Yes.
Okay.
First main.
Fill up. Don't want.
Fill in the blanks in the following table.
And what is given? You tell first term.
Given that A is the first term.
A is the first term. What is first term?
A is that is a box, ma'am.
Okay. What is A?
A first one is 7.
7. Then.
And the common difference is 3.
Is?
3.
Then.
N is 8.
N is nth term. 8th term you need to calculate. Okay? Then.
And A by N you should find out.
You have to find out AN. AN means nth term. So 8th term. 8th term, what could be the 8th term? The first term is given Common difference is given. What could be the eighth term? So write down the formula. AN is equal to, say, continuous, Umar. A plus,
One
what is the
minus
formula?
one D.
minus 1 by
N minus 1 into D, or A plus N minus 1 of D. Okay, now substitute. Substitute 7. N is 8. 8 minus 1. What is 8 minus 1? 7. So don't multiply. Don't remove the bracket. You will go wrong, children. Okay. 7 into 3 you should do first. Then you should add. You know what mistake children will do usually in AP? They will add the 7 plus 7, 14. 14 threes are they will write off. That is wrong, because 7 minus 1 is bracket. Do the bracket first. So I'm telling you what mistake you people will do. Don't do same mistake, okay? So 7 into 3, 21 you should do first. Then you should add 7. Then the answer is 28. So final statement is very, very important. What is the final statement? What is the final statement? What is the final statement, Umar? Don't know. The final statement is eighth term of AP. Eighth term of AP. The final statement will give the evaluator that how much you understood. So the final statement is important. Okay. For every sum, final statement is important. You understood? Now we'll go to fourth one. Little tougher sum. We will do the decimals. Fourth sum. Who's going to read? Fourth sum. Somebody who never read so far can read. First one. First main, fourth sum.
Ma'am, I'll read, ma'am. Vishnu.
Vishnu, very good. Vishnu, read.
Which term of the AP?
Which, no, same first main, only fill in the blanks. What is given, you see. A, D and all is given, no. Which is not given, you tell me.
Ma'am?
A is how much? A, first main.
First main, ma'am.
A is?
A, 7, ma'am. The second one, ma'am. Second one.
Fifth one, fifth one and fourth one. Decimal sum, check.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I don't have textbook.
Fourth one, ma'am.
Fourth one, that only tell.
A is minus 18.9, ma'am.
Minus 18.9. Okay. D is?
2.5.
2.5. Very good. N is?
They didn't give, ma'am. We should find out.
N has to be found out. AN is?
AN is 3.6, ma'am.
3. Very good. Yes, ma'am.
Afra is asking you to
Okay,
let
ma.
her
Thank
in,
you for
ma'am.
telling that. Yes. Yes. Now, listen carefully. A is given. First term is given. Common difference is given. AN is given. You have to find out N. Nth means which term is 3.6. So the last term is given. The last term is given, but we don't know which term of that. Understand the concept. Otherwise, AP you can't do. Understand the concept. Okay. Now you start with the formula. AN is equal to A plus. And say Vishnu, what is the formula? A plus?
Ma'am?
Formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, this answer is 3.6. Instead of 3.6, I will write 36 by 10 because decimal is difficult for me to calculate. So I will put a fraction. Here minus 189 by 10 I will put plus N minus 1 into D. I don't know what is N. N minus 1 into D. D will be 25 by 10 I will put. I'll make it a fraction. 0.1, no, that means divided by 10. It is easy for me to do. Then what will I do? I will bring this side. What will happen? 36 by 10 is already there. And this minus 129 will become plus 189 by 10. So denominator is same. So I can just add. When I add 36 plus 189, what will I get?
225.
What will I get?
225.
Correct. 225 I will get. Here this n minus 1 should be multiplied with both the number. 25 10 n minus 25 by 10 you will get. Here this part. This binomial into that number. So be careful. Whenever binomial is there, multiplication should be with the bracket. If you don't put the bracket, that binomial, you will go wrong as monomial. You will not multiply that with both the number. So you will be multiplying this with this with this. Both the number you will be multiplying. So this you have brought it that side. So now you bring this side. So 25 by 10n, you keep it this side and bring 225 by 10 minus will become plus after the equal sign. So multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication. Remember that. Okay, equal sign. Now 250 by 10 you will get. Now you can. You get only 25. Now what is n? What is n? N will be 25 into 25 by 10 will become 10 by 25. So 25 get cancelled. N is equal to 10. So what is my conclusion statement, Tarun? What is my conclusion statement? Don't know. Conclusion statement is very important. So what is the conclusion statement? 10th term. 10th term
Tenth term
of
of
AP given AP is equal to 3.6. This is
3.6.
conclusion statement. Okay. That is very, very important. Okay. Don't forget this. It's very important. This final statement to make you understand how good you are, how well you understood the sums. That's all. So you can practice every sum with this. You can practice many sums, but for class, I want only example sum. Example 1, 2, 3 you do. Exercise 5.2, first main and second main. First main, we have only 3 more sums left. That is second sum and third and fifth sum left. So here 3 sums left. Here 2 sums left. So totally, it's all easy sums. So only I have made it 7 sums for homework. 7 sums for homework. Thank you. Thank you. You stop the record session. We'll talk. Any doubt is there, children? You can ask.